What's cooking, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jay and today we're kicking off season 3 of BROIL LA with healthy recipes just in time for 2018, starting with some amazing and healthy chicken lettuce cups right after this. My name is Jay and this is BROIL LA. This episode is sponsored by milkandeggs.com. If you're in the LA area, check them out for farm fresh fruits, veggies, meats, and more. So this is an incredibly versatile and healthy recipe. Once you make the filling, you can either put it in lettuce cups as we're doing today, or you can put it over rice and have it for lunch during the week. So to get started, in a large pan, I'm using a wok. I'm going to heat up 2 tablespoons of cooking oil over high heat, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of minced ginger, along with 5 cloves of minced garlic, and 3 stalks of green onions, but I'm only using the white parts for now. We're going to cook these for about a minute or so, stirring constantly, and then we're going to add 1 pound of ground chicken. All right, so we're going to cook this chicken down for about 3 to 4 minutes, breaking it apart into very small pieces. And then at this point, we're going to add 4 ounces of sliced shiitake mushrooms with the stems removed. Our mushrooms have been in here for a couple minutes and they started to wilt, so now we're going to add the components of our sauce. So to the wok, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, along with 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, a tablespoon of rice vinegar, a teaspoon of sesame oil, and a ½ teaspoon of salt. We're going to let this cook in the wok for a couple minutes until all the liquid evaporates and forms a nice sauce with our meat and mushrooms. At this point, we're going to add a tablespoon or so of sambal. This is a Southeast Asian chili paste and will add a nice heat to this dish. We're going to cook this for about another minute, and then we're going to turn off the heat and add the rest of our ingredients for the filling. So we're going to add an 8-ounce can of water chestnuts, along with a 1/4 cup of chopped roasted unsalted peanuts, and about a 1/3 cup each of the green parts of green onions and cilantro. So our filling is done and we can actually build our lettuce cups now. So I'm using butter lettuce. The reason why I'm using butter lettuce is because the leaves actually kind of form a cup by themselves. You can use whatever kind of lettuce you want. So I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of our filling to each leaf. And there you have an amazing and healthy lunch. If you do want to add some carbs, you could put this over rice as well. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like what you saw, make sure to give it a like, and let me know if you have any suggestions for future episodes in the comments down below. You can click this button to subscribe to our channel and check out some of our other videos over here. My name is Jay and this is BROIL LA.